Guys, mag-change oil muna kami dito ng Nissan Navara guys. Magpapalit muna kami ng langis at saka filter at saka oil filter niya guys. Palitan natin guys ng bago. Nissan Navara ito guys. Tatanggal muna yung bracket sa pump guys kasi tatanggalin namin yung fuel filter niya guys at saka yung oil filter niya sa ilalim para pabor kasi guys, pabor. So guys, tatanggal na natin ito guys. Ito guys, tatanggalin natin ito at saka ito. Lahat guys para makuha natin yung buo. Pabira na yan guys. Bebe. Ini ka. Sana. Gelsa. Okay, up. Ya. Yan. Saltayan. Yan guys, oh, grabe. Dumi na talaga guys, tingnan nyo guys, oh. So guys, oh, marumi na talaga guys. Kibra, pugi. Okay. Guys, oh, tanggal na namin guys. Ito guys, ito na yung bago guys, oh. Ito yung bago guys, ikakabit natin dun. Yan yung oil filter guys, dito yung sa ilalim guys, dyan, oh. Dyan, oh, dyan. Yan ang oil filter guys. Ito guys, ito yung bago guys na oil filter, kakabit na natin guys. Press guys para suabe talaga guys. Lagyan yung o-ring guys, may o-ring yan para hindi lalabas dito ang fuel. Kasi ito lang yung o-ring lang ang para hindi lalabas yung fuel guys. Ano? Lipi. Ito yung guys, ginagamit namin to guys. Fully synthetics guys. Yan guys, ang tamang speed guys. Yan. Ito yung level niya guys, oh. Dito yung level niya. Ito yung high guys, dito yung level niya guys, dito. Dapat nandito talaga yung langis. Kung mag-change oil kayo guys, dyan talaga. Guys, tapos na kayo mag-change oil guys.